Guys, welcome to my Common App series. So I'm going to teach you how to apply for Common App. So for those who don't know what the Common App is, I'm going to explain it to you. So go to your browser and search for the word Common App. And so this will appear, so you click on here. So basically the Common App is one application that you use to apply to many schools as possible and fill in your personal information at once, instead of applying individually to the school and filling in all the information for each school you apply to. So the Common App makes it easy for you to select many universities at the same time and you apply for them, and it's also possible to apply for fully funded scholarships also through the Common App. So I'll teach you everything. So basically this is just an introduction for those who are new to the Common App. And so you do come and select on start your application. And so this page comes forward, so we have to create our account. So for most of us are first year students, so click on first year student. So they will need your account information. You enter your email address, the one you use a lot because they will be communicating with you a lot, and it's what your schools will also use to reach out to you. So you also do re-enter the email address here, create your password, follow these instructions here, then you retype your password, and then they say which option best describes you. So for most of us, we're applying as first year students and we plan to start college in 2026 or 2027. So, but if any of others does apply to you, so do select that. Then this next section, they want your personal information. So you have to input your name the way it appears in your official documents. That's like your passport, your ID, your birth certificate, your driver's license, your national ID, whatsoever that is an official document that can be used to identify you. So do enter your first name, and here enter the last name. So then the next question is if you would like to share a different first name that people call you. If you want to select yes, and you will have to enter it here. If not, select no, and we'll go to the next, which is entering your date of birth. Use this format here. Then they want your contact details, so select your country code, then you enter your phone number here. So they will use this information to reach out to you in case they need anything. Then they want your permanent home address, so you select your country, then you input your address, then you select continue. And then the privacy and policy preferences, so you do go and read through the terms of and the policies of the Common App. If you do wish to select it and go and check through, and then they say, are you currently based in a European Union country, Iceland, that country, Norway, Switzerland, or the United Kingdom? So if you are, select yes. If you're not, for most of us who are international students, we're going to have to select no. So would you like to receive communications from Common App about opportunities and resources? If you do wish to, select yes. If not, select no. And then come here, please review the following. So by checking this box, I agree to the terms of use. You can go and read through the terms of use if you want to be sure. They say if I am under the age of 18, I represent that my parent or legal guardian also agrees to the terms of use on my behalf. So do check here and you create your account. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your transcripts and as well as the grading system. I'll explain everything. So see you in the next video.